we are back at it, Peaches and I again today. We're gonna work on the guy way over there, and I got some through bars that I need to put in and show you the progress that we've done because I've been slacking on filming episodes. So here we go, check it out. Oh. Alright, we're under the hood of the Maverick, and I'll share with you guys real quick. I'll pick you up, spin you around, show you what we got here. But I have a mock-up motor, I've got an intake manifold sitting in place, I got a water pump for 20 bucks I got at the swap meet. It's pretty much a placeholder. I've got through bars in, I have a steering column, we have all kinds of goodies to show you guys. But today what we're going to work on is the front down bars that go from the front of the, what is this, the shock tower, down to essentially the frame. It's a unibody car, but they have, it's basically pieces of sheet metal that are a channel that they call it a frame, I guess. So anyway, we'll go from there to the top of the shock tower, and that'll give it a little rigidity, and that also gives me a place to hang the turbo. So if I can get those put in, cut some sheet metal out, make some sparks, we're gonna be heroes today. It's gonna be great. Nice and hot today, so I think I'm gonna put my Easy up because I don't wanna cook. As you can see, I'm pretty pasty, and I got a pretty wicked farmer's tan already. So let me go get the Easy up, put that bad boy up, and we'll show you around inside the car. So let's do that. Engine bay behind me, you guys got a quick tour of it. If you notice, my intake manifold is backwards. I think I'm going to plumb it into the car and run a water to air where your passenger's feet go, but that's kind of down the pipe. So what we're doing right now is on these through bars here down, actually sorry, from the through bars this way, we're going to try to put those in today. So that's the goal. I actually have them in my truck, but when I moved everything earlier, I was like, oh, I'm going to move everything. I left them in my truck. And my truck is like half a block that way, so I'm gonna go get the through bars out of the truck, bring them back. I'll show you guys what we're doing. They're just some bent pieces of tubing, and then we'll try to cut them down, fit them, get those tacked and welded in. I might have to make a base plate for the side where it lands on the frame portion down here. We can get those tacked in. I can make a big hole, maybe even go get my turbo at some point, and we can mock that up, and then that would be exciting, because then technically I'd have a turbo car, even though the turbo isn't doing anything. There's a turbo and it's in a car, turbo car. For the down bars, or what I'm going to use for down bars, this one was actually, I think for the cage at some point, it had a bend in it already, and then I just bent the other end, and then I'm going to cut it off somewhere like here. It's kind of similar to that one. So I've got 3 shots at down bars. So I'll measure, cut these down, and then we'll stick them in there somehow. So that's the plan. Alright, so what we have here is our down bar that was bent up. I showed you guys it was sitting on the ground over there. And essentially this just needs to come from the top of this shock tower to the little piece of this frame here that I showed you earlier. So there's a bend to it. I left it long, and then all I'm going to do is put it up next to where I want it to go, take my Sharpie, mark it, cut it off, and then repeat the process till I have it at the right angle and the position I want it in. And then I'll just take the other one and make it match this side, and I'll have 2 down bars. Maybe we'll make a little plate for that thing, weld it in, and call it a day. So I think this bar is tentatively where it's gonna be. I have to clean it up, fix the angles a little bit, but I think that's where it's gonna live. But instead of just getting in a hurry and tacking it in real quick, I'm gonna shape it up so it sits in there real nice. I'll leave the magnets on it. Then I'm gonna get a glass of water, or actually a water bottle or something, sip it and stare at this thing and try to figure out if it's gonna get in my way down the road. Because right now it'd be easy just to tack it in and be like, oh, that's good, but I want to think about it, if there's anything in the future that might actually intrude on. That way I don't stick it in there now and I can make adjustments on it. And I'll move it around a little bit, see if that is the best angle and the best spot for it. So I'm gonna do that, grab a drink of water because it's freaking hot, stare at this thing, and then we'll shape it up and stick it in there as soon as I'm confident that that's the right decision. Save you guys a bit of pain watching me do this. So tentatively, I'm happy with that bar placement there. And then it'll go to this cross member. I've decided to leave the cross member so that way it all kind of works together, let's just say. So now this side, my turbo is going to live over there. So I'm going to do the same as this bar on this side, but I want to get rid of some of the sheet metal. And then also, you can see down here, I'm not able to weld on the back of that, and I cut a little window. Well, this piece down here is part of this where it flips up. So anyway, I'm going to take my plasma cutter, which I have here, my handy dandy plasma, and we'll make all that go away so that way I can weld that all the way around here as well as over here. So let's plasma, shall we? Alright, so I think I have the through bars exactly where I want them. And then one more quick measurement. Let me grab that. Alright, so like I said, one more quick measurement. And I didn't drop it this time, do you guys see that? So, one more quick measurement, then the ball is rolling, and then I'll show you guys where we're at after I get everything tacked in. So, keep it locked. Alright, so that is a wrap. The dust is settled. I have through bars in this thing. I'll give you guys a quick look at them. Again, I gave it a double measurement check. We are good. And then I set the passenger side one a little further back to make room for the turbo plumbing. So they're not in the same exact spot because obviously I'm going to have the baby. That's what I'm going to name my turbo. The baby's going to live here, so I need the extra room for the plumbing and for the baby. So, give you guys a look at it. Had to take the fenders off to get everything welded around. Next time I will cut out some more sheet steel, get the baby mounted, and hopefully start doing some plumbing and some fun stuff instead of doing chassis work forever. That's it. If you guys like Mavericks, if you, I don't know, you want to be friends, maybe you're lonely, maybe you need a new YouTube. Maybe you're like, hey, you know what? This guy's not as retarded as he looks. Or, you know, maybe you don't think I look retarded. Maybe you think I'm handsome. Maybe you should just click the chicken. I'm out.